Yo, have you seen this? What? It's just a drum video. Alright, let me see it. I think I broke him. Hello players, welcome back. This is your boy Jaystiqs coming at you with another video. So I remember back in the day, we used to watch Tony Royster on CDs and DVDs. The youths of today will not know what I'm talking about. If you remember what this is, leave a comment down below. So this drum fill is actually quite simple, but I'll give a full difficulty rating later on in the video. So stay tuned for that. Let's get on with how to play this. First of all, you hit the snare drum one time, just one. Then a right, left on the floor tom. Next, a double kick. Then another right, left on the second tom. So far, everything sounds like this. Progress. Next, a double kick. Then a right, left on the floor tom. Now we have this. For now, let that part be part one. Next, another double kick, which will be the start of part two. At this point, he plays a right, left, but the way he plays it is a little different. He plays the right on the floor tom and the left on the first tom, like this. When you put it with the previous double kick, it sounds like this. Then another double kick. Another right, left. So we already did part one. Now we're on part two. This means so far in part two, we have this. Then to round off part two, he plays 5 notes like this. So the complete breakdown of part two goes like this. Now let's put both together. We have part one as this. Then we have part two as this. Then you put them together. You may be thinking, right, how does he apply this to the groove? Let's find out. But first, the Drum Chops Builder app is a revolutionary application that helps you to save your drum fill ideas wherever you are and whenever you are. So you don't forget your ideas. You need to save it in the app when you're out and about and you have a drum idea. Then you can come back home and play it and practice it. It's amazing. It's delicious. It's revolutionary. There's a link in the description where you can download it. Before we apply this to a beat, let's make one little change that will make it make a little bit more sense.
Could somebody please make it make sense?
Because he's playing it in a performance setting where they arrange the track a certain way. But we want to play it such that we can apply it to every single groove that it applies to. So instead of 5 notes on the floor tom, we play 4 notes on the floor tom. Then the last one is a crash with the kick. So still makes sense. Now I know you would want to see the original thing alongside what we just did because people are trying to verify and distinguish and all kinds of things. So let's say you have a worship groove like this. When you add the drum fill, it would be like this. we talked about the rating of the drum fill, right? So, what rating are we going to give this drum fill? For difficulty, I would say a 6, because basically it is just right, left, and double kicks. So, yeah. For tastiness, I would give it an 8, because it is quite tasty. All the doubles and everything just flowing together, you know. And for complexity, let's make it a 5, because it doesn't take too much to practice that and get good at that. Do you agree? Leave a comment down below. What ratings will you give this drum fill? Smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. Go grab yourself some drumless tracks from my website, Jaystiqs.com. Download my app, the Drum Chops Builder app, for saving your drum fill ideas. All these links and other helpful links are down in the description below. Speaking of which, what if I could describe to you exactly what your drum fill should sound like to make it memorable and to make your audience connect with it? Watch this video right here. Right here.